Hey, what's going on, guys? What's happening, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be showing you the quickest and easiest way to buy Bitcoin and get into the cryptocurrency space. Anytime Bitcoin prices start going crazy, it brings a lot of new people out. Whenever Bitcoin prices start going parabolic and the media and institutions start getting involved, everybody wants to start jumping in. So I've been getting a lot of YouTube comments, a lot of emails from a lot of you guys saying, hey, I've been on the fence about buying some Bitcoin or cryptocurrency for a number of years. I've seen some of your videos. I've always been curious, but I just never made the leap. It's time. I want to get in. I want to start buying some Bitcoin or some cryptocurrency. How would you recommend I get started? Now, in today's video, I'm actually going to be recommending Cash App. I don't necessarily think Cash App is the best app out there, the best platform, but I will say they are the quickest, easiest, and most user-friendly way to start buying some Bitcoin. A lot of times when Bitcoin starts getting really popular and everybody's rushing into crypto, a lot of the exchanges like Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, they get so backed up, not only with customer inquiries and things like that, but also with new accounts and verifying new accounts, that sometimes it can take weeks to get onto the platform. And somebody who's wanting to get into Bitcoin, Bitcoin's at $20,000, you really want to get in, and you sit on the sidelines for 2 or 3 weeks waiting for Coinbase to verify your KYC or their know your customer information, which you're legally required to do. You could be sitting on the sidelines for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. I think back during the 2017 bull rush, some people were waiting like a month, 2 months to get on Binance or Bitcoin or whatever else. One of the things that's super easy about Cash App does technically KYC, but it's such a light process that you don't even necessarily realize that that's what you're doing as you're going through it. I think you pretty much just have to provide them with like your name, your address. I think maybe you tell them like whether you're self-employed or employed, who you work for, and you upload a credit or debit card number. And literally that's like the entire process. Your account is set up, and you're able to buy, sell, and send Bitcoins. That's kind of another cool thing about Cash App over something like PayPal. I know PayPal is very user-friendly and is doing cryptocurrency now, but PayPal is kind of like Robinhood in that you can buy Bitcoin, but you don't actually own that Bitcoin. You can't send it off of their platform. If you buy Bitcoin on PayPal, it's just going to sit on PayPal. Whereas with Cash App, you can actually send it off. And Bitcoin is the on-ramp to the world of cryptocurrency. So if you want to get on Kraken, if you want to get on Bittrex, if you want to set up a Binance.com account and start trading on Binance, at the very beginning, you'll pretty much need to get Bitcoin or Ethereum or some cryptocurrency to kind of get yourself into the market, because a lot of these exchanges aren't fiat exchanges, meaning you can't take money from your bank account. I'm a big fan of Kraken. I know Brian Phobos loves Kraken. He's always promoting Kraken. And Kraken's a cool exchange as well. The problem, Kraken, not only do they not take credit cards, they don't even take ACH transfers, which means you need to wire them money. Unless you have a really good bank, most banks are going to charge you $25 to wire money. So if you wanted to put $100 fiat money or US dollars on Kraken, there'd wind up being a $25 fee. So you're essentially losing 25% right there. So if you're somebody who's wanting to like dollar cost average and put $100 into crypto every single week or once a month, every single time you do it with Kraken, they're going to charge you a $25 wire fee. So that's kind of why Cash App is cool, is because the fees are very low. And honestly, I was kind of surprised by the rates. Like if you Google what is the price of Bitcoin, Cash App's Bitcoin price is $20 to $50 lower than that. When I checked Coinbase's Bitcoin price, Cash App was like $50 or $70 lower than that. So you actually get pretty good pricing on here. And I kind of hate promoting Cash App just because I'm not a big fan of Jack Dorsey. Not only does he look like either a cult leader or a serial killer with that stupid beard of his, but also I don't like him as a person. I don't like how he runs Twitter. I don't like how he censors people. The other day he had actually tweeted something out. I think Uganda had shut down social media during their election, and Twitter, I don't know if it was Jack Dorsey or the company Twitter itself, whatever, but they tweeted out, we condemn this. We are for a free and open internet and free and open elections. And it's like, you guys censor the hell out of Twitter. You're very one-sided in terms of like your politics and what's allowed and what's not allowed. And then you want to tweet out and kind of lecture the world about free and open internet. Kind of crazy. But I kind of hate Jack Dorsey, but I got to give credit where credit is due. The Cash App makes it very easy to buy cryptocurrency. So when you sign up for Cash App, you're going to be taken to, this is kind of the main screen. when you log in. You're going to upload like a debit card number or a bank account number. You can attach a credit card if you want as well. And then just basic information, your name, address, email number, and phone number. Now, really kind of simple dashboard. And you know, when we talk about gaining more Bitcoin adoption or cryptocurrency adoption, I think there's a lot of great Bitcoin wallets out there, like the Bread wallet and others. But what's really kind of cool about Cash App is it's a simple interface, and it also kind of brings together crypto and fiat, which is when we talk about adoption. I think you kind of have to bring together crypto and fiat, because otherwise it's like jumping through a lot of hoops. I got to go over here to buy Bitcoin, and then I got to send my Bitcoin over to another wallet or another platform, which always costs money. Bitcoin transfer fees are kind of high. So the fact that you can do this all on one platform is kind of nice. And then for somebody who's new to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, the process of actually like transferring your crypto is incredibly easy. And I just kind of really like the kind of dumbed down interface. So this is kind of the main screen. You can add cash to your account. You can cash out. You can look at past deposits and transfers. You can look at your Bitcoin. And you can even buy stocks on here as well. Although, honestly, if you want to get into buying stocks, I'd recommend setting up like a Vanguard account. Or if you're looking for more of a robo-advisor, do something like Betterment or Wealthfront. So this is like if you're, this is kind of more just cash. If you're looking to you and a friend go out to dinner or go out to the movies and they wind up paying the bill and you got to send them your half, you can quickly hit pay and send money to a friend. You can also request money from a friend. And to be honest, I'm not sure if this is just for USD or if this works for Bitcoin as well. But, really simple interface here. Next screen here. Okay, so we got that one. Next screen here, you can buy stocks if you click the stock slider. You can buy Bitcoin if you click the Bitcoin slider. And it's super, super easy. You literally just click buy. It's going to be kind of like an ATM machine where they give you some preset amounts. You want to buy $10, you want to buy $20, you want to buy $50, you want to buy $100, you want to buy $200, you want to buy $400, you want to buy $500, whatever it is. Or you can put in a custom amount. So that's how you buy Bitcoin. It's literally like 2 clicks to make a purchase. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, you sell your Bitcoin there. And if you just bought $100 in Bitcoin and now you want to send it off to your Binance account, you simply click this icon right here, this little arrow, and then you can either use a QR code and scan, like, if I was sending my money off to Binance, I would open up Binance, I would click deposit. They would pop up either a deposit address or a QR code, and QR code's probably going to be the easiest way. I can just click this button here, this arrow, and then it's going to open up that QR scanner, and I can scan my Binance account open, and it automatically is going to plug in the address, and I can send my money over there. Or if you wanted to copy and paste in the actual Bitcoin address, you can do that as well. Here's kind of like with the buying process. If I click buy Bitcoin, I can do a standard one-time order, which is a one-time purchase. Or if I click this drop down, it can make a recurring buy. So I can make a recurring buy every day, every week, every month, every year. I believe in order to do a recurring buy, it has to be a $10 minimum. But that's not too much. You want to buy a little bit of Bitcoin every day, you can do $10. You want to do $20 a week, however you want to do it. Very easy, very straightforward. Let's see here. So here you can kind of see your account activity. So I added $100 on here just to play around with it. I wound up buying myself $100 worth of Bitcoin, and then I sent my Bitcoin off of here over to, I forget if I sent it to my my hardware wallet or an exchange, but you can kind of see your account activity here. And I know we've been talking a lot about affiliate marketing lately. If they really kind of encourage you to invite your friends. Now, I'll tell you right off the bat that this is a pretty shitty affiliate program. It's actually more of a referral program versus an affiliate program. I think I'm actually going to be putting out a video here in the near future talking about like the difference between affiliate programs and referral programs. Every affiliate program is a referral program, but not every referral program is an affiliate program. Referral programs are generally more meant to invite friends, and there's not as much money to be made, whereas affiliate programs are kind of more designed towards marketers. At one point, this used to be a pretty good program. I think if you invited a friend and they downloaded the app, you automatically got $10. Now it's kind of a shitty program. So if I invite you to join Cash App and you join Cash App, we each get $10. However, in order for each of us to get that $10, you have to set up your account and fund your account within 14 days, and you're still not going to get the commission or the bonus there. You also have to send $5. So you have to set up an account, you have to load on money, and then you have to send at least $5 to somebody in order for both people to get this bonus. It's actually kind of genius by Jack Dorsey and Cash App for two reasons. One, when you put a time limit on it, like 14 days, some people aren't going to do it in the first 14 days. And also, a lot of people are going to sign up, load their account, and you may not have a reason to send money to a friend or something like that. And if you don't send money to a friend within 14 days, you're not going to get that money either. So basically, if you do follow through and they give you the money, you've downloaded the app, you funded the app, and you've sent money to a friend, which kind of gets you using the app and also spurs adoption. And if you don't know anybody else using Cash App, like if I signed up for this and I wanted to get my $10, I'd probably tell my girlfriend, like, hey, sign up for Cash App. I'll send you $5, and we'll both get $10 for free. And now I just got them a new user. So in some ways, it's kind of genius how they set up this program, but it's not very good for affiliates and or referrers. But yeah, that's the activity page. This is kind of like your home page or whatever. John, $ rules for rebels. Here you can invite friends and get $10. Personal information, privacy, and security of your account, notifications, your documents, support. If we go over here, if you've already signed up and you want to enter somebody's referral code after the fact, you can enter that there. Here's kind of the thing where they encourage you to invite friends. And you can invite a friend by phone number, by email. You can share this on social media. What's this? Please enter a referral code. So this is where you would enter a referral code if somebody did refer you. This is kind of what you can send out to people. Join John on Cash App. Try Cash App using my code, and we'll both get $10 when you send $5. And there's my referral code if anybody wants it. It's DWSMBWX. And then here's kind of like if you wanted to send out an email to people, hey, I've been using Cash App to send money and spend using Cash Card. Try it using my code, and we'll each get $10. And then here I just wanted to take a quick look at the pricing. So, okay, so here it's $5 better. I actually at times was seeing Cash App's price anywhere from $20 to $50 better than some other exchanges. I did this almost, Bitcoin prices are moving pretty quickly right now. So, I mean, in a couple seconds, it can move $20 or $50. But I Googled the price of Bitcoin, which was $35,155.80, and Cash App was selling Bitcoin at $35,150. And this is probably the lowest I've seen the spread, but Cash App, every time I check, seems to be better than Coinbase, Google's price, and a lot of other exchanges. And, honestly, I think that's the end of this little presentation. If you're wanting to buy large amounts of Bitcoin, if you're wanting to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, $5,000 worth of Bitcoin, $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, a whole Bitcoin for $35,000, I'd probably recommend using like a Gemini or a Kraken or a Coinbase. But if you just want to get a couple $100 in Bitcoin, if you're just looking to buy small amounts and you don't want to get killed with fees or wire transfer fees, you really can't beat Cash App in terms of buying a couple $100 worth of cryptocurrency. And I have to say this just as a cautionary thing. If you do buy Bitcoin at Cash App, there's nothing wrong with leaving a couple $100 on here. But ultimately, once it becomes worth more than a couple $100, or once it becomes an amount that you wouldn't want to lose, make sure you send this off to your own wallet, ideally like a Trezor device or some type of hardware wallet. But make sure you don't keep money on Cash App, Coinbase, Gemini, or any exchange. It's just not a good place to keep your cryptocurrency. And if you guys are wanting to get into other coins besides Bitcoin, you want to get some Ethereum, you want to get some Polkadot, some NEM, so whatever other currency, 1inch, you'll need to go over to another cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini are good exchanges. Coinbase and Kraken probably have a lot more cryptos than Gemini. I think Gemini might only be Bitcoin and Ethereum still. Or you can send money over to Binance. In order to use Binance.com, which doesn't require any KYC, you do need to sign in from a VPN. So I'd recommend using either ExpressVPN or Viper VPN. Set your location as Hong Kong, and then go over on there, set up your account, and you can send money from Cash App over there and fund your account. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Like I said, a lot of you guys have been asking for a quick and easy and simple and user-friendly way to buy Bitcoin. And while I'm not a fan of Jack Dorsey, like I said, I got to give credit where credit is due. Cash App is probably one of the quickest and easiest ways for a newbie to get started buying some Bitcoin. If you guys have anything else to add, any questions, tips, comments, other suggestions as far as places to buy, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button below, ring the bell. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.